all are doing well. Today we are going to study maths of class 4th. Today we are going to start the exercise 12I. Okay, in this exercise we are going to study about the addition and subtraction of capacities. Like in the previous videos and previous exercises, we have studied addition of meters, addition of centimeters, kilometers and meters. Okay, in the same manner we are going to study addition and subtraction of liters and milliliters. Okay, again the same process. Normal addition you have to do, but at the end you have to write the units. Okay, so let's start. All of you open page number 87, exercise 12I. Okay, question number 1 are the following. Okay, so first is 26 liter 139 milliliters plus 81 liters 947 milliliters. Okay, after addition you are going to get 108 liters and 86 milliliters. Clear to all of you? Simple addition we are going to do. Okay, but at the end we are going to write the given units. Okay, now let's see question number 2. Question 2 is 123 liters 510 milliliters plus 29 liters 329 milliliters. Okay, so after adding we are going to get 157 liters and 389 milliliters. Okay children, clear to all of you? Now let's see question number 3. Question 3 is 111 liters 106 milliliters plus 326 liters and 9 milliliters. Okay, so after adding you are going to get 437 liters and 115 milliliters. I hope this addition is clear to all of you. We all know how to do addition. We all know. Okay, but at the end, in every question of this chapter, you have to add the units. Okay. Now, next 4 and 5 is your homework. Now open page number 88, word problems. Okay, so word problem. In word problem, first question is 3 liter 500 milliliter of milk in 1 can. Okay, one can is there in which milk is there and the capacity of that can is 3 liters and 500 milliliters. Okay, now you have mixed 72 liters and 650 milliliters of milk in that can. Okay, now you have to find the total quantity of milk in that can. Okay, so when you have to find the total quantity, okay, or all together like that, then what you have to do? You have to do addition. Okay, now let's see. Quantity of milk in 1 can 31 liter 500 milliliters. Okay, now capacity of milk mixed 72 liters 250 milliliters. This was the quantity and this much quantity was mixed. Now total quantity of milk. So after adding both the quantities, you are going to get 104 liters and 105 milliliters. Clear to all of you? 104 liters and 105 milliliters. Okay. 1 can capacity of 1 can was 31 liter and 500 milliliters. Okay, and then quantity mixed was 72 liters and 650 milliliters. And then after adding, total quantity of milk was 104 hope this question is clear to all of you. Now question number 2 is your homework. Okay. Now children, let's see subtraction of capacities. Like addition, we have to do the subtraction also. Normal subtraction of the, like normal subtraction we are doing the same subtraction you have to do, but there you have to write under liters, you have to write liters, and under milliliters you have to write milliliters. Okay, so all of you open page number 88 and exercise 12J. Okay. So children, let's start with the question number A. Subtract the following. Okay. All of you open exercise 12J. Okay. Subtract the following. Normal subtraction we have to do. Let's start. 17 liters 136 milliliters minus 12 liters 388 milliliters. Okay. After subtraction, we will get 4 liters 748 milliliters. Clear to all of you? Now let's see question number 2. 81 liters 8 milliliters minus 35 liters 624 milliliters. So when you are going to subtract, you are going to get 45 liters 348 milliliters. Okay, I hope this second one is clear. Now let's see question number 3. 148 liters 240 milliliters minus 98 liters 484 milliliters. Okay, so after subtraction you are going to get 49 liters 751 milliliters. Okay, so from 1, 2, 3 we have done. Now 4, 5 is your homework. Now let's see word problems. All of you open page number 89. First question. By how much is 66 liter 30 milliliter greater than 36 liter 755 milliliters? Okay. So in the question it is asked that two quantities are given and you have to tell, or you have to find that the smaller unit is how much is smaller, or you can say it is the bigger quantity is how much bigger than the smaller one. How much? Okay. So when it is asked how much, big quantity is given, small quantity is given, and it is asked how much is the difference. So whenever the word difference and how much is asked, then you have to do the subtraction. Okay. Now 66 liters 30 milliliters minus 36 liters 575 milliliters. This is the biggest unit. Okay. Biggest quantity, and this quantity is the smallest quantity. And after subtraction, whatever the quantity you are going to get, this much is this quantity is greater than this quantity. Okay. So first of all, let's subtract. After subtraction, here we are going to write 0, and after taking borrow and all, you are going to get 29 liters 455 milliliters. Okay, 45 liters and 455 milliliters. Now, therefore, by 49 liters 445 milliliters, 66 liters and 30 milliliters is greater than 36 liter and 575 milliliters. Clear to all of you? Clear? I hope this question is clear to all of you. After subtraction, you are going to get this number, this quantity. Okay? Now, this 29 liter and 445 milliliter is 6 liters 30 milliliters is greater than, okay, this much. 66 liter and 30 milliliter is this much. 29 liters and 455 milliliters greater. Okay, clear to all of you? Now question number 2 and 3 is your homework. Okay, do all homework and all these questions in your rough copy. copy. Clear to all of you? And if you find any problem, you can ask in the live class.